Are we live? Are we? I can't see anyone. Oh yeah, we're live, yeah. Hey, what's up, people? How are you guys? Okay, first of all, thank you so much, all the Rashmians supporting so much and showering so much love. And I just want to thank you guys for 4 million posts. I love you. Hey, Shower Bhai, how are you? What's happening, guys? Okay, so honestly, hi Saurabh. What's up? How is Himachal treating you? ओके आ जाओ, सब पहले आ जाओ, फिर आराम से बात करते हैं. What's happening? Harsh Kumar, honestly, I have things lined up, but as I always say, I am going to remain silent because मुझे ऐसे लगता है मेरा काम बोलेगा, and because of current situation that we're facing, every day dates are changing, so I cannot tell you all, guys. Of course, why not? We live in the same building, but हम लोग बहुत rarely मिलते हैं, very rare, because she's busy and apparently she's been traveling a lot. Right now she's not in Mumbai, if I'm not wrong. Okay, so honestly speaking, guys, first of all, I have taken my first vaccination. It was very very sudden decision. मुझे बस phone आया और मैंने बोला हाँ मुझे लेनी है, and I was definitely not feeling good for almost a week. My body did not support it, and मेरी mom, who's 63, जिन्हें कुछ नहीं हुआ, honestly, she was absolutely fine. The same day when she took her jab, and then she had some get togethering, तो वो अपने फ्रेंड्स के साथ घूमने चली गई. तो मैं ऐसे शॉक में चली गई थी कि मैं मॉम 63 में इतनी अमेजिंगली, मतलब अनदर लेवल है, और मैं हफ्ता भर बीमार हो गई थी, उठ नहीं पाई थी, मेरी पूरी तरह से बैंड बज चुकी थी. हाय इंडोनेशिया. Okay guys, so honestly, after taking the vaccination, I have faced few major issue in my there were like hormonal changes and my skin issue, and honestly speaking मेरा hair fall बहुत strong हो गया था. I have a major hair fall going on right now, and I'm facing that trouble. And then I realized that I happened to speak to my few friends who are actor, and they actually told me the same thing, that कई बार वो vaccination is creating some kind of problem in your body. ऐसा हमें बोला जाता है, बट ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं है. यू जस्ट नीड टू ट्रीट योर सेल्फ वेल. आई एम श्योर डे टू डे रूटीन में हम लोग सप्लीमेंट्स नहीं खाते हैं, and that is the reason we need to love ourselves. We need to give right supplements and a right correct kind of information and the knowledge to it. So I would like to call my favorite Taksha. Do you know, she has a daughter of 17, I mean like 15, 16 years old, and she looks so hot. She's so good. She's so beautiful. Inspiration hai yaar.
Okay, no.
Just look at her. How are you? What's up? और पहले की सारी Rashmians को I want to say
खोल के रखते. Can you hear me?
Well, viewers. Yes, I can hear you. First of all, कितने सालों से आप मुझे
Your
जानते हो?
voice is breaking. Wait, yeah, your voice is breaking.
I'm
1 second,
saying
let
since
me
how many
adjust my
years we are
Wi-Fi.
together. नेटवर्क नहीं आता है बॉम्बे का, ट्रैफिक इशू एंड देन नेटवर्क इशू.
अभी हो गया ना, network आ
अब
गया.
तो
Now I can
सोशल
hear you so
गैदरिंग.
well.
Yeah, now.
Okay, 1 second, Rashmi, 1 second. Now is better. Can you hear me better? This is
I can
better.
hear you, but you need to area.
1 second, I'll move outside. I am trying to adjust my connection. Something is wrong. So I am trying to go. Now, is it better?
Perfect.
Now this is better for me too.
Okay, first of all, everyone who's asking me since a very, very long time, she is the reason. And I am her since almost 10, 11. And honestly, I'm not wearing any kind of makeup right now. I'm not done anything except the eyebrow touch up and the sunscreen that she gives me every day. And उसमें भी मैं कभी कभी रेगुलर नहीं होती हूँ.
कभी कभी
Like,
नहीं, बहुत ज्यादा रेगुलर नहीं होती हो.
okay, ये थोड़ा this is life. You can't complain, you know.
Oh, sorry. Okay, I'm sorry, yaar. I'm getting adjusted towards the social media things.
Okay. So first of all, हमारे but I want to tell you one good news that all my Rashmi, all my fan club, they have done such a hard work to मेरे 4 million post उन्होंने Instagram पर कर दिए. So please, like,
Congratulations, and I'm not surprised because anybody who knows you loves you so much, Rashmi.
yeah,
So I think it is, yes. Unhad, beautiful. Remember our word?
yeah, Anhad Sundar, Anhad Sundar.
Anhad Sundar. Anhad Sundar. So yes, so I think it is completely, to know you is to love you. And I've known you like you've grown in front of me. So yes, I'm completely not surprised by the love that you get.
Thank you so much, and I love you.
I love you too.
Okay, I wanted to ask you about the face. People the acne and face, but we have patches on our face. What happens is we don't take regular supplements, we don't give proper vitamins to our body and the nourishment that our skin needs to have. And Bombay is what do you call this? The weather is it's humid. Because of that,
Humid.
skin dry ho jati hai, and at times what happens is we face acne, to breakouts issue. So in that, we lot of time we neglect our the hair fall that we have day to day routine में. And I have taken the vaccine, first vaccination. After the first vaccination, I have had issues in my scalp. I've been having a lot of small boils.
Okay.
आता है वैसे मेरे स्कैल्प में भी आने लग गए. Then I have been facing this. So basically, I have invited, and I wanted to ask you so that you can give the right information and people don't get scared of vaccination and they take the vaccination and they do all the that needs to be done after the vaccination.
Okay, so Rashmi, one is I'm so happy. I've been pestering you to take your vaccination since a while, and I'm so happy that you went and got your first dose done. So, to everyone out there, that we do not have a choice out of this but to vaccinate. We must, we must, we must. Coming to some people get some reactions after vaccinations. I have generally seen that the younger you are, the chances of the reaction or inflammation which happens is higher. So most of the young people after taking the first dose of vaccine can get body ache, can get fever, can feel very weak, and it generally stays for around 48 to 72 hours. You just need to take a paracetamol, which we call Dolo, after that, and you'll be fine. But the reaction doesn't mean that you have reacted to the vaccine. The reaction means that you are producing antibodies, so the inflammation is good. And because of that, you may just have more antibodies in your body, and that's an absolutely good sign to have. So, one is that is not a side effect, it is something which will happen and which will go away. So, that's not a reason to not take vaccine. Second question is about you getting boils on the scalp. Now, not really because of just the vaccination, but I have seen that in this whole COVID era, the hair fall has increased immensely. Means I actually have people who are sitting in front of me and their hair just falls, like they come out, roots में से निकल जाते हैं, ऐसे हाथ लगाओ तो पूरा bunch
My
हाथ में आता है.
this issue and she doesn't even know about it.
Who?
My sister-in-law, she's facing this
हाँ.
issue, not aware of it, because when she brushes her hair, बाल जब बना लेती है ऑफिस जाने के लिए, तब बहुत सारे बाल ना घर में पड़े हुए होते हैं, and she doesn't know about it.
Exactly. So that's the thing. You actually, I've started using a new term for it that it is not hair loss. It is almost like your hair is dropping. It is just dropping from your scalp and going away. Now you need to counter this. Because you will have to. First step is take good nutrition. So biotin, magnesium, selenium, and you can take a combination of these tablets. These are over the counter. You can get them online. These are multivitamins for the hair, and they don't have any side effects. So there is no harm in taking it for at least 2-3 months. I'll just name some things. You can take a BT and Forte. There is something by the Cheek Nutrix, which is a combination. You just have to put it in a glass of water and drink it. There is Keraglow, Eva. Eva is something that you take for women. There is Keraglow Men. So lots of vitamins, you can take it over the counter. And you can start this for at least a month. If your
Okay.
hair fall does not reduce after a month, is when you then want to go and meet a dermatologist and find out the cause, because it could also be that you have a thyroid issue or you have a hormone issue or your D3 levels are less or something like that. So those issues we are going to look into if your hair fall doesn't stop after a month. Second, about the boils. Now, what happens is if the inflammation is too much on your scalp, okay, so you will sweat that much and those will produce boils, especially around the hair follicle. Also, when you're losing hair, जब बाल ऐसे निकल जाते हैं ना, so they are also actually getting pulled from the scalp, right? So that gets pulled and you get a boil around the hair follicle, hair root. Now that also you will have to treat. For that you will need a prescription. So it is not something ki you can't go and I tell you also that Rashmi send me a picture as to what is happening, because I'll have to see कि वो boil में bacterial infection है क्या है, वो मुझे देखना पड़ेगा. So you will have to treat that, but it is a part of the hair fall process और वो होता है, which you need to be careful about. But to everybody out there, COVID related hair fall in this era is quite a lot. So please eat well, sleep well, take your nutrition, vitamins. Diet may be good on your protein. Don't go on crash diets. This is not the time where you will say, okay, now I want to lose weight, I'm going to skip dinner. I want to lose weight, I will skip lunch. Don't do all that. Let it be a balanced nutrition throughout the day. So, ये important है. And that's why you need to tell all your fans to do that. You're so popular, you need to spread this message so that these are not the times to experiment with health. These are the times where you want to probably be in the best of your health.
I think that's the best way to write. I think knowledge is the key to everything. And last question, I would not a question, but a lot of people are not ready to take the vaccine. So please, आप अगर उनको right information देंगे, and please spread more and more awareness and tell people to take the vaccine, because मेरे घर पर 2 लोग आते हैं, they are quite very well educated, but they still denying and don't want to take the vaccine. It's for their good and it's for everyone. सबके उनके इर्द गिर्द जो भी रहते हैं उन सबके अच्छे के लिए, वरना आप एक चलते फिरते वेपन हो, किसी को भी मार सकते हो अगर आपको कोविड हो गया तो. So, create unhealthiness and such situation.
Vaccination is an absolute must. We have to understand that we are not dealing with an infection. We are not dealing with malaria. कि mosquitoes चले जाएंगे तो malaria नहीं होगा. We are dealing with a virus in the form of a pandemic. When we mean pandemic means the virus will only get a self-death. That means it will only happen when every individual produces antibodies to fight it. Because
इतना
even if
टेक्निकल है,
one person,
बोलो बस नहीं समझ पाएंगे.
यानी जब तक हम ये वायरस हमारा बॉडी खुद ही उसको फाइट नहीं करेगा तब तक ये नहीं जाएगा और उसके लिए देयर इज वैक्सीनेशन. वैक्सीनेशन इज द ओनली मेडिसिन कि उसके बिना जब तक सब लोग वैक्सीनेट नहीं हो जाएंगे ये कंप्लीटली वायरस दुनिया में से नहीं जाएगा. सो इट इज इम्पोर्टेंट दैट everybody gets vaccinated. What is extremely important is there's nothing to worry. Vaccination से कुछ नहीं होता. Like I said, एक दो दिन आपको शायद body ache होगा या you may have a little bit of fever, you may feel unwell, but otherwise there is nothing else. यानी इससे कोई side effect नहीं होता. And it is something which will get सब लोग, the life will come back to normal sooner if we start vaccinating. You know, we all want to get back to our life. We all want to
And
you know, just go out.
schemes and all, I think 1500 रुपए उन्हें देने बहुत डिफिकल्ट हो जाता है, बट यू नो फॉर द नॉर्मल लेमैन पीपल एंड जो अफोर्ड नहीं कर सकते उनके लिए तो बहुत सारे एनजीओज है जो आगे आके बढ़ के उन्हें हेल्प करने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं. एंड आई थिंक पीपल शुड अंडरस्टैंड द सिचुएशन इज गोइंग आउट ऑफ द हैंड. एंड हमें वैक्सीनेशन इसके लिए भी, ऐसा नहीं है कि वैक्सीनेशन हो जाएगा और उसके बाद आपको कोविड कभी नहीं होगा, ऐसा नहीं है. आपका बॉडी अगर एंटीबॉडीज बन जाता है तो इट विल फाइट अगेंस्ट दैट डिजीज अवे एंड इट इज बेटर एंड सिक्योर लेटर. एंड देन यू नो यू कैन हेल्प अदर पीपल. बहुत लोग ब्लड डोनेट नहीं कर रहे हैं बिकॉज ऑफ देयर एंटीबॉडी. उन लोग को लगता है कि अरे खून चला जाएगा एंड ऑल. तो बहुत मिथ है हमारे यहाँ पर. तो सही सही जिम्मेदारी लेना और सबसे ज्यादा इम्पोर्टेंट है स्प्रेड अवेयरनेस एंड यू नो सही तरीके के शब्द यूज करो. ब्रॉडकास्ट मत मारो. ह्यूमैनिटी बोल, help people and understand that you know whatever you seeing here, it is only healthy when you think healthy. All right?
Yes, and absolutely, mind body together is what will give you this beautiful glow that you have.
Exactly. बाकी उसके लिए तो हमारे डॉक्टर्स है ही and they've been fighting also. So
yes, so vaccination is important. Vaccination please सबको जाके लेना चाहिए. And you're right कि उसी से you'll be able to eradicate, यानी ये पूरा तभी जाएगा जब हम vaccinate होंगे. And it is a first step. And when you about the money part also, yes, if you can't afford it, NGOs है and 21st June के बाद hopefully we are going to have it free for everybody. So yes, those who can't afford it के लिए भी free हो जाएगा after 21st June. So as per the announcements made by our government, so we are looking forward कि जो नहीं कर afford कर सकते उनके लिए free हो जाएगा. So money will not be a criteria.
Yeah, and मैं आपको भी रिक्वेस्ट करती हूँ about the hair fall that everyone is facing and you know people don't have right knowledge about it. It's my humble request if you can put certain kind of whatever the medicine that needs to be taken and the solution that you were talking about, if you can mention in your story, so it will be more easy for people. And of course, you know, because of COVID, everybody is facing the financial crisis. So please, the numbers also important. So please give options for every medicines that you giving in your.
So what I will do is once we are done, I will put up a post of 3-4 kind of vitamins that you can use, which are easily available over the counter and which are not expensive. And if they start that, but एक चीज remember this, that ये है तो nutritional support. So for everybody listening, that after taking it for 1 month, अगर hair fall reduce नहीं हो रहा है, then you should meet your doctor, because then you will have to get your hormones checked too. Because कभी-कभी this is not the only reason for hair fall. Like thyroid is also a reason, low hemoglobin is also a reason. So in that case, because I have seen कि कभी-कभी ना just by by what we tell them, people take it for around 3-4 months and then they don't go and visit a doctor and the real cause is ignored. So yes, take it for a month. If it is helping you, you can continue, but else see a doctor.
Yes. And thank you
Yes,
so much for coming live with us.
thank you. And I'm waiting for your pictures and I'll see you soon.
Sure.
Okay,
I'm ready.
and like I said, people love you because you remember that post of mine we said, which is you inside, not you outside.
For the
Bye.
wonderful. Thank you. I love you.
Love you so much. Bye. Okay, now tell me how to go off this.
I'll do it. Okay, guys, this was very important. A lot of people are making fun. I've been seeing few comments going around. Time pass के लिए नहीं थी, and not that I have a lot of time to do time pass. Being very honest and clear, I'm sorry. I don't want to hurt anybody's sentiment, but this was very very important. People are taking vaccination, and looks and the personality is also important part of your life. When you go out, step out of in your real world, people want to see the glamour. At the same time, they want to see the real person. So जो आप देखते हो वो फेस दिखता है, लेकिन सबसे ऊपर दिमाग है और उसके ऊपर है बाल. तो प्लीज प्लीज टेक केयर ऑफ योर हेयर, and at most important thing, drink a lot of water because it will give you good thoughts and keep your skin hydrated, and at the same time it's better for your day to day routine. जो भी डिफिकल्टी एंड स्ट्रेस और सब चल रहा है, इसे फ्लश आउट कर देगी. And one of the biggest reason I came live only because of the Rashmians. They've been working really, really hard for me. And I just want to say Rashmistan and Rashmians, and I love you guys. I do get to know a lot of activities that y'all are doing. I'm in touch with few people and I love them because the way they're working really hard, first of all. And I know they are asking me too many questions personally, but being very honest, I will talk about my work when the right time comes. And बहुत जल्द बताऊंगी. Maybe with a good news, I will come. And yes, पारस माहिरा के लिए मुझे किसी ने पूछा था. पारस माहिरा के लिए यही बोलूंगी. They are amazing. They are independent, also so much fun, and they are otherwise also they are very fun. And मुझे पारस से मैं ज़्यादा बात करती थी, तो पारस is somebody, I think he's amazing. Full of fun लगता है वो. Go with the flow वाला आदमी है, तो मुझे अच्छा लगता है वो. And बीच में बहुत सारे ऐसे कमेंट भी थे जो मुझे पसंद नहीं थे, लेकिन घूमते फिरते आ गए थे. तो जस्ट वांट टू से दैट कि अरे भाई, जिंदगी में कुछ कर लो, कुछ अच्छा ही कर लो यार, मदद ही कर लो. एंड लाइक आई सेड इन माय लाइफ, प्लीज स्प्रेड मोर अवेयरनेस अबाउट योर वैक्सीनेशन बिकॉज इट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. हाँ, मैं फोटोज नहीं अपलोड कर रही हूँ, मैंने वैक्सीन लिया है और मुझे वो सब नहीं समझ आता है, बट I'm still humble. I'm like requesting you all, please spread more and more awareness about the vaccination, because in rural area people think that उन्हें काम पे असर पड़ेगा, maybe उनके पास पैसे नहीं है, maybe उनके पास they are jobless, और वो भाई cities में भी सब jobless है, work from home है, लेकिन everybody gets threatened every now and then saying that जॉब से निकाल जाएंगे हम. जब आपके ऑफिस आवर्स होता है ना, तब काम कम होता है, लेकिन जब आप घर से काम करते हो ना, तब आपके पास people for a better life, help people, help each other for a better lifestyle. And आजादी सबको अच्छी लगती है यार, तो let's have a better people around us, safe, secure. चलता फिरता औजार बनने की क्या जरूरत है ना. Now you must be not knowing what is औजार. That is, you need to find out. And thank you all the love. And okay, मैंने बहुत बोल दिया, so I just want to say that thank you for everything. And please take care of yourself and your loved ones. Ciao.